Try to get the best thumbnails makers for your videos, or search no more or a detailed tutorial on my channel on how to make thumbnail using canva.com, and it's totally free. All right, it's totally free, and you can check through my thumbnails. You can see they are really amazing. All right, all those tools are totally free. So tips like this, be sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video. Just go to your Play Store and search Canva. All right, and you will see this app here. Download it. All right, click on it, register, and then log in. It's simple to use. You will see something like this, and then apart from YouTube thumbnails, you can make a lot of designs. You can make social media animation. You can make Instagram posts, Facebook ads. You can design on Polo. You can design on so many things using this Canva. You can design flyers. You can design postcards, as specific. All right, you just have to search thumbnail. All right, in the search box, and you see a whole lot of options. It's written free. You can see the free here. All right, not all is free though. If you scroll down, you will see some that are really paid. All right, so you just have to be mindful of the one you're making use of. All right, all these things are free, so you have to choose the one that is best. When you choose that particular one, you edit it to your taste. All right, almost virtually everything here can be edited.